whole world stops. You lose your sound, you lose your sight. And at that point in the vulnerability of the patient experience, I realised that health law was so foundationally important. I'm Fiona McDonald. I'm a professor at the Faculty of Law at Te Herenga Waka. The oldest written legal code is the Code of Hammurabi. It dates from about 1750 BCE, and that contains a reference to health law. The ways in which healthcare providers and patients interact has always been a key concern of law. When we look at the ways in which we use law to structure our health system and the ways in which we actually operationalise our health system, they're based on norms that came over with the colonising authorities. I came here to Victoria to study politics. I developed some alarming symptoms. Hearing the words, you might have brain cancer or you might have multiple sclerosis, the whole world stops. The world shudders on its foundations. When you walk into that experience, when you sit there and you look at the relationship you have with the doctor, the way in which the building is constructed, the way in which what they say and do is constrained by the systems within which they operate. Is this good enough? Is this equitable? Is this discriminatory? Is it working the way it was intended? Have things changed? Are there different societal shifts? What about new technologies? What about AI? Can this be better? Should we update the law? Health is a human right. Everyone should have the right to access healthcare. There has been increasing inequity, and that is being sustained and expanded. And that should make us ask whether the way we're structuring it, providing it, needs to be foundationally rethought. Working with students as they develop their own research projects, as they advance as individuals, fostering interested, curious inquiry is one of the joys of the job. This faculty sits right in the heart of the government community. We are right on the steps of Parliament, surrounded by so many important aspects of governance. Being promoted to professor, it's a recognition of an intellectual journey in a collective group of people who are pushing knowledge forward.